Hi guys, so today is another Boxycharm video. I already opened the box. This is for February. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, this is a monthly subscription. I believe it's $20 a box and you get like 5 samples in here, usually the deluxe sizes. So excuse my oily face right now because I have no makeup on. I already finished a work day and I got off like 4 hours ago. So the first item I got is this guy. We're gonna test it out. I don't usually use fancy cleansers. Honestly, I use Irish Spring bar soap to clean my face and then toner. So yeah, let's see how this works. This guy right here is from Farmacy with an F, Farmacy. This is Clean B. It's supposed to be ultra gentle facial cleanser. Okay, great. This guy right here has honey and, I can't say this, hyaluronic acid. Did I say it right? I don't know. This guy right here has 3 fluid ounces and this would retail for $22. This is great for daily use. It's great for sensitive skin. It has all these natural ingredients. I'm gonna try this on because my face could use a little washing. So I have a big bowl of water. I just realized I don't have a towel. 1 second. It's gonna like tap that and yeah. Just pretend that I'm at a sink. Alright, great. Yeah. Ooh, this smells good. Kind of liquidy. So I'm gonna use you guys as my mirror. I hope I don't get this in my contacts because that would suck. Fingers crossed. I really like how this smells. What is that? What does that smell like? I don't know. I'm really bad at describing things, like don't even ask me for directions, like you'll never get to where you want to go. This reminds me of like high school, how I was like all into face cleaners. What happened? I just became lazy, I guess. Get her in there, get her in there, yeah. I'm gonna go off camera and actually rinse my face off and I'll be right back. And I'm back, hello guys, I'm just dabbing off my moisture. I don't have a towel, so that's why I'm using a napkin. But my face feels nice and clean, as it should. It's a nice cleanser, however, $22. I don't know. Is it me or does my face, like, cheeks look red? I wouldn't say I have sensitive skin, so I don't know what's going on. But, like, right on my cheeks, it felt a little bit burny. And look at it, it's getting red. Y'all seen that? Like, am I crazy? Did I leave this on too long? Is there a time limit? I don't know, I just remember the other night though when I got out of the gym and my shirt rubbed up against my face, it was kind of like itchy burn. Does that make sense? Maybe because the weather here is like going cold, hot, cold, freaking 30 something or below freaking 14 degrees. Do you have really sensitive skin? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, but moving on, I'm just going to moisturize my face because the next product is a primer. So I'm just using Clinique's moisturizing gel. Like my face is burning right now with this going on. What the okay, if my forehead burns then it's definitely the cleanser. It's not burning. So maybe my cheeks are just going through something right now. That is so bizarre. I am like not even sensitive to products. Like I wouldn't say I would be sensitive. I'm just overthinking it, I guess. The next thing I'm kind of excited about because it's a primer and it's smooth and pore covering, so that's fun. I love to look poreless. You get 1 fluid ounce. It's from Touch and Soul. This is their No Poreblem primer. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation. It's supposed to blur your pores and wrinkles and give it a velvety feel. It has green tea and collagen. Fancy. It's supposed to make your makeup last for several hours. So this guy right here would retail for $18. To put it on half of my face, see if there's a difference. I love the packaging, by the way. So it has a pump, which is always a blessing. Here's the consistency. Ooh. Huh. Feel like it's smoothing out my skin. Let's put on my nose. Yeah, it definitely feels a lot smoother than this side of my face. Okay, let me get up close, show you my face. Hello. So this has nothing. I just apply some foundation and I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me, the matte version. So usually I just put it on the back of my hand and just like smear it on like that. Just get her on there. My face is still burning. I haven't worn makeup in 2 days. So I was giving my skin a little breather, but even when I wore makeup last time, it was not burning. Blend it out with a sponge. This is a Equate version of this beauty blender. It's massive. However, I don't know if I would recommend it. Yeah, get your makeup done very fast, but it also absorbs a lot of your foundation. Just saying. I'm gonna use the magnifying part of my mirror. It did help minimize the pores just a little bit. However, it's not by much. As far as lasting power goes, who knows? Because I'm gonna wipe this off right after this video. My foundation pretty much applied the same. So this is with no pore filling primer or whatever. And this is with the primer. Focus. Focus. Hello. Gonna do a little quick concealing under the eye. So the next item that I got unfortunately came in busted, so it's all shattered. It's the pretty Vulgar highlighter, and this is the shade Shimmering Swan highlighter. I did contact them, so we'll see what they say. Here it is, very pretty packaging, but the show must go on, so I'm going to attempt to not make a mess and apply it. This is supposed to be a velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, pearlescent pigments. I'll give you a perfect amount of brightness. So I did swatch this. I did think it was pretty. Run you for $32. Let me see how much you get. You get 6 grams of product. So here it is. But I'm gonna take some. Ooh. Ooh. I really like the shade for this. It goes great. I'm gonna see how much I can intensify because I'm extra and I like to beam. So I'm gonna put more. Get that glow on since I did pick a matte foundation. I don't like being that matte. I think I put too much on my forehead. Snap. Let's just blend that out. What I like to do is take a smidget amount down the bridge of my nose. Just a little bit above the cupid's bow because that's what people do, so I do it too. On this chin. And you can't forget the brow bone. I love doing it. This hair is like in my eye. Okay. I personally don't think it's emphasizing texture. Oh, well, actually maybe a little, but it's not bad. So the next thing I got is this mascara. This guy is from Too Faced and it's their Better Than mascara. I don't want to say it because I don't want to get demonetized with YouTube's rules nowadays. But yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is. I never tried an expensive mascara before. I'm okay with Maybelline. Set you back $24. So tree extract sits volume while firm. Wait, what? Alright, well, it's mascara, so. So here are my straight lashes. I'm gonna go in with a curler and see what happens. You know, I haven't used an eyelash curler in so long. I actually like had to dig to find this guy. I like to just use as little products as possible. Anyways, so there's my lashes with just like my curl, I guess. Here is the applicator. One coat already. I don't see anything like fabulous about it. Like my lashes are already going down. so I'm gonna try to put another coat on. I'm not really that big on mascara, I'll just say, because my lashes will just droop down anyways. I just use it to get like the eyeshadow off my lashes. That's about it. I mean, it is making it thicker. It does build nicely though, I'll give you that. Here is before. Here is after. So I'm kind of liking the mascara, I'm not gonna lie. It does build up really nice, which is what I like. But in order to get this to like stick up, I had to like curl my lashes again. Be very gentle if you're ever gonna do that because you don't want to mess up your natural lashes. But you do sacrifice it a little bit because it does start looking a little clumpy. And I just did a little bit more mascara, focusing it on the tips. And yeah. So here is the look with just the mascara. So that's pretty cool. So the last item I got is Trestique. I believe it's saying Trestique. So it has like a primer on this side. It will open up and then you got the lip doohickey right here. This balm right here is supposed to moisturize and smooth out your lips. So this guy would retail for $25. By the way, this is in the shade English Rose. Open up. It's It's a little cute little thing. So it's that kind of shape, kind of flat. So wish me luck. I kind of like it. It's kind of like, I don't usually like sport red lips because it's a hassle. Feels nice and comfortable. Girl. What do you think? Look at it. Hold on. Let me get my light. I'm cheating. Look at it. Like, wow. So this is the look I got using this month's box. The highlight is my favorite. Too bad it's shattered. The mascara, it's nice. I like that you could build it, but I think I'll still stick to my drugstore. The lips, I'm pleasantly surprised and I love it so much. Primer, let me look at my face. I'm still not noticing much of a difference, but we'll see. I guess the true test is the lasting power. The only thing I'm a little iffy about is this guy, this face cleanser. My face is not burning anymore, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to keep using this and test it out. Like I said, my skin was being a little weird a few days ago, so it could be that. But if you have sensitive skin, I would be aware of that. Other than that, I enjoyed this box. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring that notification bell because you'll be notified, because YouTube is a little weird now. But until my next video, you guys, I hope you guys have a good day or good night wherever you are. Adios. I know this is random, but I just wanted to see what it would look like. Just saying. This is my mom's wig.